Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Sturf. Today we're making beef tacos. And not just any sort of beef taco. U.S. Wellness Meats beef ground with heart, liver, and kidney, 1 pound. And a regular old BJ's like Verde, 85% ground beef. Now what we've done is we put it in a pan here, and we're using some non-toxic taco seasoning, the Siete brand. It's just basically chili powder, sea salt, ground dates, tomato powder, garlic powder. It's pretty healthy in my book. You just put that in there. I'm going to fry it up here, and I'll show you the result in a minute. The best tasting bell peppers I've ever had. And I got them from Rochelle's Co-op. I don't know where she found them. They're fantastic. Now I found here some store-bought Emmentaler. Now Emmentaler is a Swiss imported cheese, and it's unpasteurized. Found this at Whole Foods, but I believe Publix also has an Emmentaler. I'm a huge fan of the unpasteurized cheese because there's preserved digestive enzymes in there. Now these are Siete brand taco shells made with avocado oil. Typically taco shells are made with canola oil, cottonseed oil, rapeseed oil, things you typically don't want to actually ingest. These seed oil taco shells, they feel like they burn in the chest. There's something very wrong with conventional taco shells, but Siete makes a fantastic brand here. We're loading it up with our beef. I'm going to put my Emmentaler cheese. Not going to get this at any restaurant, any taco stand. It's all seed oils. There's no real way to get tacos without seed oils unless you're making it at home and you understand the ingredients that you're putting in it. Even the way I cook the meat, I use duck fat at the beginning. I'm excited about this. This is actually my first meal of the day. It's almost noon. Wow, that is fantastic. Good way to get liver in.